Hey everyone, welcome back to 5 Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today we're going to look at Bitcoin. We're going to look at Bitcoin versus the US dollar and several different charts. If you like the video today, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Twitter, Telegram, Patreon, if you want to learn more. 5-day Gaussian channel for Bitcoin to kick us off here. The top line is right around 50K, right? We want to avoid this like the plague and never see it again, at least until the next bear market. So that is kind of our lowest of the low possible scenario, in my opinion, that we could possibly go to. That would also coincide with these candles back here. So if you see us, red after red after red day, look for nice support right at that level. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Going to different charts. Bitcoin on the daily chart, we have our 8-day SMA, simple moving average. That tends to hold pretty good for Bitcoin unless it doesn't. And then when it doesn't, the yellow line, which is the 21-day exponential moving average. So looking back, when we held it, it remained bullish. If we broke it, we went right to the 21-day. And so far, we're repeating something similar in October. And we broke through the 8. We held the 21, even though it looked a little sketchy there for a moment. Now, look where we are now. We're continuously testing that 21-day EMA. We even have done it today. Now, there's the next chart I'm going to show you shows that maybe we're good to go. However, there's no certainties in crypto but uncertainty. So nothing, don't go with anything as a certainty, right? Don't get certain. All right, let's go to let's look at also on the weekly chart, right? That was the daily. So the weekly, you're even more bullish, right? We're holding 3 weeks in a row now, right around the same level. So consolidation is good. And all of these candles are all consolidating above previous all-time high closings right back here. This candle was the all-time highest closing candle on the weekly chart, which was still less than 60K. All 3 of these candles are above 60K. So good news there. So when you go up in time, you want to remain more bullish. You don't want to be bearish on the weekly and the monthly and then bullish on the 4-hour and the daily, right? You want the reversed. So the shorter time frames shouldn't matter as much. You want, as you go up in time, you want to be more bullish, and which we are, right? So Bitcoin's well above the 8-week SMA and the 21-week EMA, and that proved to be holding as well again on even the weekly chart. That kind of separates the bullish and the bearish in the bigger picture. The 21-week EMA. Now, going to the monthly stochastic RSI for Bitcoin, what do we see? A nice bounce out of the average. This is what I was waiting for. As of last week, we made a video saying that we were waiting to see what the update was. This is the update. We got the bounce that we needed on Bitcoin on the monthly, and our momentum should be kicking off in a bigger way. Now, this doesn't mean that we can't go down in the next handful of days or hours or minutes, right? This is bigger picture. Look at here's 2022, 2023. There's this bigger time frame. Look at your downtrend here, right? This is the start of our bear market, right? This was when Bitcoin right here, from here to here, went from 3K to 14K, right? Over the summer of 2019. This movement up here was our move from about 20K to 60K, right in this area, right? So that was this year. Here's our whole last year, our whole last 2016, 2017 kind of blow off top area right in here. So this is a big picture. This is your momentum of the price, and this is what we're doing. Nice backwards up movement. If this continuously prints up, if we like close December 1st and we're still going up, that I would highly suspect Bitcoin is at all-time highs in price discovery mode yet again. So that is some good news. Now, little bonus is the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Look at this consolidation for Ethereum against Bitcoin. I think we're due for some kind of explosive move out of Ethereum in the not so distant future. It could take into Q1 as Ethereum has done before, although I think Ethereum wants to jump the gun this year. It seems like it. Zooming in, this is a monthly, remember. Each candle is a month. So look at this candle. This is almost a near textbook Dragonfly Doji candle on the monthly, which is one of the most bullish candles in all of crypto, plain and simple. And that is Ethereum against Bitcoin. It usually likes to wait till mid to late December, even the Q1, going into Q1. Go look at any Q1 with Ethereum against Bitcoin, and it's always trending up. And Vice versa, Q4 is usually always trending down. Look right before the new year. Ethereum is usually trending down. It's trying to fight hard against Bitcoin. It wants that gold medal for the crypto market cap. So we'll see if how much Ethereum can run. Maybe if Bitcoin like 2 or 3x's, right? Ethereum's got to like 4 or 5x. Could potentially happen. We could see it close. We could see a close battle by the time all this is said and done. We could have a neck and neck battle for the king of crypto. As far as market cap, right? You know, I don't think Ethereum's going to take it in price, but more market cap, right? Where it used to be like a year ago, Ethereum was 4 times less than market cap of Bitcoin. Now it's like close to being 2x away. Maybe this time next year will be 0x away or even a slight above it. That would just be amazing if Ethereum could somehow flip Bitcoin in market cap. That would be astonishing. So hopefully that helped you today with Bitcoin. I mean, there's our highest monthly closing candle of all time. We just said it yesterday. It's hard to be too bearish on this when you're doing that. And the bigger pictures, like we've talked about, the bigger picture, the more bullish you want to be. And what's more bullish than printing all-time high monthly closing candles for the king of crypto, Bitcoin himself?